If you're searching for the best free AI courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Many people are looking for completely free AI courses. But here's the truth. While Coursera lets you start many excellent AI courses with a free trial or free preview, the most valuable courses and certificates are included with Coursera Plus and offer much more in terms of learning and career value. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's look at the top 3 AI courses that are absolutely worth taking if you want to build real AI skills. At number 3 is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by IBM. This beginner-friendly course teaches the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and generative AI. It also includes hands-on activities and a shareable certificate, making it an excellent introduction to AI. At number 2 is Google Introduction to AI. This course is designed for beginners and covers generative AI, responsible AI, and practical workplace applications. Google's clear teaching style and trusted reputation make it one of the best starting points for anyone new to artificial intelligence. Taking the number 1 spot is AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI, created by Andrew Ng. With more than 50,000 learner reviews and outstanding ratings, it's one of the most popular AI courses on Coursera. It explains what AI is, how it's changing industries, and how you can start using it in your career. Best of all, no programming experience is required. While you can often access these courses through a free trial or limited preview, purchasing every course separately isn't the best value if you plan to keep learning. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about learning AI in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you far more value than relying only on free trials or previews. If you found this guide helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.